So to remove this from the wheel, I'm going to use a string tool. I'm going to wrap it kind of around my fingers, not just hold it at the toggles so I can push down. I'm going to pull straight towards myself. If by chance you slide that under and you lose your bottom, we can probably fix it, but depending on how much you cut off. But ideally you've checked the thickness of your bottom so that that doesn't happen. I'm then going to take 2 pot lifters, lay them nice and flat, and just scoop them under the edge. You do not have to shove them way underneath, just enough to get it under the edge. I'm going to lift one side up and then the other to loosen it, and then both together and onto a wooden board. Once it's on the wooden board, for the class period, you'll cover it in plastic. So you'll take a piece of plastic, drape it over, tuck it underneath. We actually want it to get leather hard so that we can trim it, okay? So leaving it on the wood will suck some of the water out of it. And then we'll be able to hopefully trim it the next class. Because this is a sample, I'm going to find my string tool that I just put down, and I'm going to chop this in half so you can see it in profile. Okay, so let me pull this in half. I'll lose the bottom on that side so you can see. So slightly thicker at the bottom, okay? We're going to trim, so when we trim, we'll lose some of that thickness from the bottom, okay? And it'll then should become even thickness all the way up the side, okay? You don't want to have the bottom be like this thick and the top be like really tiny thin, okay? So it should be close to even thickness. Slightly thicker at the bottom is acceptable at this point, okay?